Hey everyone, here is how to go live with Squarespace websites step by step. We will also answer the common question we get: can I publish my Squarespace website for free? Whether you're launching for the first time or looking to publish your Squarespace website after editing, you have worked hard on your Squarespace site. Pat your back. And now it's packed with content, beautifully designed, and ready to be shared with the world. Well, today is the day. You finally make your Squarespace site live for everyone to see. And the best part? It'll only take about 3 to 4 minutes. Step 1. Log into Squarespace. Head over to the Squarespace homepage. This is where your journey to launching your website on Squarespace begins. Click the login button at the top right of the page. You'll be taken to the sign-in screen. If you use Google services, click Continue with Google for a faster sign-in. Choose the Google account linked to your site. This makes the process quick and password-free. Step 2. Access your dashboard. Once logged in, you'll land on your Squarespace dashboard, which lists all your websites. Click on the site you want to go live with. This step is the beginning of taking your design from draft to public. Step 3. Navigate to Site Settings. On your dashboard, find the Settings menu. Use the left-hand navigation if needed. Inside Settings, click on Website. This section contains all the options needed to make your website public on Squarespace. Step 4. Adjust site availability. Under Website Settings, find Site Availability. This is where you control who can view your website. If your site is private or new, you'll see a button labeled Upgrade to Publish. Clicking this will take you to Squarespace's Plans page. This is an essential step in the process to publish your Squarespace site after designing. Step 5. Choose a plan and checkout. Select the plan that suits your goals, from personal to business websites. Don't worry, you can upgrade or downgrade anytime. Then proceed to and enter your payment details securely. Once payment is complete, your website will go live immediately. The answer to earlier asked most common question, can I publish my Squarespace website for free, is no. You can't publish your Squarespace website for free. To make your website live and use a custom domain, you need to buy one of Squarespace's paid plans as I shown in this video. Your Squarespace site will be visible to the world, accessible via the domain connected to your account. If you haven't done so already, now's the perfect time to connect your domain to Squarespace. Final checks before publishing. Before you click Upgrade to Publish, give your website one last check. Look for typos, broken links, or missing images. This is your final polish before your Squarespace website launch. And that's it. You've just learned how to go live with Squarespace website, including all the essential settings and final steps to make your site public on Squarespace. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.